Hi, my name is Emma, and in this video review, I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know about Prodentim before you actually buy the product. So watch the video until the end because I have some really important alerts to share with you, and pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first important alert about Prodentim is, be careful with the website you're gonna buy Prodentim from, because Prodentim is only sold on the official website. It's important to emphasize this at the very beginning of this video because you need to buy the original product to actually get results. Nowadays, unfortunately, there are many people selling fake products and it's extremely dangerous to your health. So make sure you buy Prodentim only by the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description and also in the first comment of this video, so you can buy it with complete safety if you're interested. So, does Prodentim actually work? And the answer is yes. After much research and laboratory tests, scientists have managed to create a powerful supplement made with 100% natural ingredients that support the health of your teeth and gums. Prodentim is a doctor-formulated mix that gathers 5 scientifically proven, potent strains, combining a total of 3.5 billion good bacteria into one revolutionary dissolvable candy. This probiotic candy also targets your respiratory system, supporting your body to stay free from allergies, while also promoting restful sleep and good digestion. So yes, you can trust this product. There are thousands of people having great results with Prodentim and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each organism will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you're realistic about your treatment and expectations. Something really important about the product is that you can test Prodentim for 60 days. And if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any reason, they'll refund all your money. This is really nice because you don't take any risk when you buy this product. Also, for Prodentim to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day. Slowly chew a tablet every morning to support the health of your entire body, gums and teeth. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months of using this product. Research has proven that to get the best results from Prodentim, you should use it for at least 3 to 6 months so that its natural formula has time to act throughout your body. Prodentim is manufactured here in the United States in FDA-approved and GMP-certified facilities. Its natural formula has no side effects. So, I recorded this Prodentim review, first to tell you to be careful about the website you're gonna buy Prodentim from, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, and take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be different than anyone else's because your organism will react in a unique way. I really believe that this product can improve your life. I hope this video has helped you with your doubts. But if you still have any questions or if you want to share your experience with Prodentim, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to answer.